Elsa stood at the doorway, watching as Thomas the Tank Engine prepared for his Christmas delivery. The village was covered in a blanket of snow, and icy tracks made the journey a daunting task. As the heartwarming glow of twinkling lights filled the chilly air, Elsa knew she had to lend her powers to ensure a safe delivery. "Are you ready, Thomas?" Elsa asked, stepping out onto the frosted platform. Thomas puffed out clouds of steam, his little face beaming with determination. "I'm ready, Elsa, but these tracks are terribly icy." Smiling confidently, Elsa waved her hand, magic sparkling from her fingertips. The ice that clung to the tracks shimmered, transforming into a smooth path as Elsa's powers settled over them. "Wow, Elsa, are you sure this is safe?" Thomas queried, albeit a bit awestruck by her icy magic. "Don't worry, Thomas. I can control the ice so that it's friendly," Elsa assured him, walking alongside him as he began his journey. The duo set off towards the mountain village, the gifts securely packed in Thomas's cargo car. Elsa guided him through the winding paths, the crisp winter air filling their lungs with each breath. As they approached a steep hill, Elsa noticed a patch where the snow was accumulating faster than anticipated. "Hold on, Thomas. I need to make sure this slope behaves," Elsa said, concentrating on the snowy hill. Once again, her hands glistened, and the snow obediently shifted, forming solid packed trails. Thomas carefully ascended, stabilizing as Elsa's magic worked its wonders. "Elsa, we made it to the top," Thomas exclaimed, thrilled with their joint success. Elsa nodded, catching a glimpse of the majestic town lying beneath them, its rooftops laden with snow and cheer. "It's beautiful, Thomas. And now we can deliver everyone's presents with ease," she added, her smile warm against the cooling breeze. Thomas steamed down the now stable tracks, with Elsa occasionally casting her magic to ensure smooth passages. As they arrived in the village, Thomas's whistle tuned a cheery note, signaling their arrival. Villagers gathered as Thomas and Elsa distributed gifts, each present wrapped and tied with ribbons of hope and joy. "Thank you, Elsa," Thomas said when their task was complete. "Without your powers, it would have been impossible." "Anytime, Thomas. I'm always here to help," Elsa replied, giving him a gentle pat. As night descended, they shared a glance up at the sky, stars twinkling brightly above the serene landscape, a testament to the miracles of friendship and a magical holiday spirit.